Hey guys, today is garden cleanup day. It is the Monday before Thanksgiving. I'm in zone 6B in Kentucky, and we have had rather unusual weather. I have newly planted flower beds that I planted at a rental property that are looking, they've been looking like it's summer. We've had, I guess, an unusually mild fall. And so I'm going to turn this camera around and show you guys what is in these flower beds before I pull it out, since things have gotten a little bit colder, but they still look amazing. All right, so at the mailbox, I have Shasta daisies planted, which I planted with, I just planted with seed. Here's the last of my petunias that need to come out, but these Shasta daisies apparently don't bloom the first year that you plant them. So I just had a seed packet. I dumped it here and it grew into a bunch of clumps, and I transplanted one over here, and I thought it was dead. I didn't think it made the transplant because it sat there looking brown and dead for seemed like a couple weeks, and then it just perked up and decided it was alive. So it's very green and flush. I will not be cutting on that at all. This little piece of monkey grass or lariathy was really small. I think it'll be all right. Now here, this has been the star of the show. This has been my curb appeal. These are just, I guess, wax begonias, some kind of begonia, but I got them from Kroger, the local grocery store. And they have been amazing. But let's see, this one got hit, I think, when the guy knocked my mailbox down. And then I think they're showing some signs of it being too cold. So I'm just gonna go on and pull them. I really don't want to. And the monkey grass, I think I'll keep it in there. And then here, my French tree is doing very well. This petunia needs to come out. I don't know if these are wild onions or, like, that's about the area that I planted Dutch irises. And they're so thick, I mean, it doesn't look like wild onions. So I'm thinking, and when I pulled one out, it had a very fat bulb. So I'm thinking those might be my Dutch irises trying to do something. I don't know, I'm a rookie, so I'm still learning. These are two newly planted hostas. They have done very well for their first year. One's a transplant, one is just, I picked it up at Lowe's. And I will cut those back. Ooh, I probably should have had my lawn mowed one more time. The everything in these beds is new, but the candy tuft needs to come out. The two hydrangeas that I have, here's one. They're macrophylla. I bought them on clearance. I didn't think that they were going to make it. Oh look, the power wash guy knocked the bird nest down. I guess I need to throw that away. Anyway, I didn't think they were going to make it, but I think they did make it, and they're going to be all right. So we'll make that determination come spring. I don't see buds, but I thought they bloomed on old wood and that there should be some buds now, but I don't know. Anyway, I have two different types of candy tuft. This one is reblooming and this one is not. Back there, that oriental lily just lost its color. I need to cut that foliage back. This is I got this from Lowe's. This is an Encore azalea. It's called Autumn Sangria, as you can see. And here are the specs. You can pause it if you're interested. But when I first planted it in the spring, it had like one flower on it. But it is a rebloomer, and here in the fall, even when it was cold, it had so many blooms inside, but you can see they're kind of dead. But these are evergreen. I just planted that monkey grass or ryepe. And then here's the other hydrangea. So I'm hopeful that these hydrangeas are going to be all right. Cross your fingers with me. And then I planted these two. These are my favorite trees. I like weeping willows and I like emerald green arborvitae. And so they seem to be doing well. Anyway, we're going to get busy. I just wanted to say that now pulling these out, I understand why they have looked so amazing for so long. Like, this is the Monday before Thanksgiving. These begonias have loved their life. But pulling them out of the soil, they're so well rooted. And I'm kicking them to make sure that whatever is living up in there doesn't get startled by me and jump out at me. I also want to say that I could not find my gardening gloves, and I was not about to be reaching in here with my bare hands. So yes, that is a rubber glove used to clean bathrooms and whatnot. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. And also, you see the shovel on the ground. I was so thankful that I did not end up needing the shovel. But you can see, with me pulling out these roots, it's no joke. Like, these begonias were happy. And so after my experience with these begonias will never not have a place in my garden. And I mean, I have gardening projects at my church, at other people's homes. All the begonias that I've planted anywhere, big begonias, wax begonias, every form of wax begonia is still flourishing in Zone 6B the week of Thanksgiving. So, but yeah, I did end up leaving the most of the begonias down the middle, and it's just because I'm doing an experiment, because I want to see how long they're going to look good, what temperatures are actually going to take them out. And so that's just me having a little bit of fun. But yeah, this was easy to do, and it was encouraging. So don't mind the crooked pavers along the driveway. When I installed all these garden beds, I sheet mulched, and I think I was just trying to cover the cardboard on that side. So maybe I just need to go on and pull the pavers away from the driveway. But I think they're serving as a bit of a weed barrier against the lawn, because the lawn is not grass, it's weeds. Let's face it. These hostas have looked really good in their first year or two, and I'm so excited to see the growth. You know, they say first year sleep, second year creep, third year leap. This is a rental property, but I will probably drive back past this house for years to come because I want to see the arborvitaes grow tall and the things planted in this bed flourish. Now, there's some kind of vine, and I'm not talking about the little ivy that you guys saw in the corner, but there's some kind of vine though that if the next tenants don't take care of the bed, it will completely take out this bed.